Please, let me climb this. No! You're joking! You're joking! You let me you get I stole that from Shu. Can I even go through this? Oh, I can. Whee! Will you guys excuse me? I should really refill my water. My throat is getting kind of scratchy. I'll be right back. Excuse me for a bit.
Whee!
Why is it harder to keep a stable note in a low register, I wonder? Is it tender struggles? I don't know. I was trying to think of something funny to sing, but I couldn't think of anything, so I just go, Bumber, Biff, Team, Burger King, Foot, Lettuce, Babas, Bean, Babom, Bumber, Burger, Bing, Burger, Fizz, Bomos, Bells, Fizz, Bungus, Babas, Reverse, Pop, Pop, Beep, Babu, Big. Okay, so that's silly enough. We like to have fun here. We partake in a modicer amount of tomfoolery. Ah! I was literally here! Why am I back here? What is happening? Oh no, he's scared. No, little buddy. Come on, please. I'm begging you. You got this. You got this. Oh. Oh my goodness me. I'm gonna be needing a lot more water than I anticipated. What's this? Hmm? 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 No! Come on! Okay, I guess. Okay, I guess we're keeping that. Woo! This is tricky. I didn't even notice that we changed like scenery. I was still so used to like that desert setting. Stretchy stretch. Okay, I think we'll do a few more puzzles, then I'm gonna let my voice rest.